You're awful cute one, little. Yes. You're so cute. Just a good little baby. Aww. We gotta catch your sisters and your brothers. You're just a cutie. You quieted down as long as I sit here, huh? I talk to you, you can fall asleep. Aw, come fall asleep, baby. I know. You like me patting you, don't you? Yeah. I like that, yeah. Oh, precious baby. Aw. Mama's over in there. She's keeping an eye on us. Oh, still sleeping. I don't know if we can see her. I don't think so. She's in the other kennel. No, it's gonna be too dark. She's all black. She can see you, and she can see me. She's keeping an eye on you. Aw, CB. Ellen put a blankie over the top of your kennel so you calm down a little bit. Yeah. Nice sitting here with you. That helps, don't it? Aw. Gonna curl up, baby? You are so cute. Yeah. Oh, big yawn, tired. This is awful tiring, isn't it? Being caught and put in a kennel. Separated from your sisters and brothers. I know. We're gonna catch them. We gotta wait for them to come out. I think I caught you because you were just a baby. You'd have run. I don't think I'd have caught you if you... Aw, you want me to pat you, don't you? Yes. Aw. I got a blankie in there, a towel in there for you to lay on, too. Yeah, curl up. Get all warm. Watching a blanket on the outside and a blanket on the inside. Oh, there you go. Come curl right up, baby. This is the first of the little feral kitties underneath my trailer we caught. Mama's in the live trap. We caught her last night, or I should say early this morning, 1:30. There she goes. This is the first baby. Aww. That's how he was sleeping in the insulation when I first saw him, and I thought he was dead. I poked the insulation with a stick, and then he woke up. But look at how he buries his face. Isn't that adorable? Aww.